Hello everyone, myself Balaji Chavan. My today's topic is abstraction and interface in Java. So let's discuss about abstraction and interface. A class which is declared to within a abstract keyword is known as abstract class in Java. It can be abstract and non-abstract method with a body. Before learning the Java abstraction, let's understood the abstraction in Java. Abstraction is a process of hiding implementation and showing the functionality of user. Two ways are achieve abstraction. First is abstract class and second one is interface. First one is abstract class. Abstract class is declared as abstract is known as abstract class. It can have abstract and non-abstract method. It need to be extended and it's implemented. It can be initiated. Some points of abstract class to achieve. An abstract class must be declared within an abstract keyword. It can have and non-abstract method. It cannot be initiated. It can have constructor static methods also. It can, and next is it can final method which will be forced in a subclass or not. To change the body the method. Next one is interface. An interface in Java is a blueprint of class, has static contents and abstract methods. The interface in Java is a mechanism to achieve abstraction. There are only abstract methods in the Java interface, not method body. It is used to achieve abstraction and multiple inheritance in Java. It can be initiated just like abstract class. Since Java 8 we can have default and static method in interface. Why use interface? There are mainly three reasons of interface using. First one is it is used to achieve abstraction. By interface we can support functionality and multiple inheritance. It can be used achieve loss coupling. How to declare an interface? An interface is a main method or interface is declared with the empty body and all the fields public and static final and default method body. Methods declared are in an interface. So let's discuss about difference between abstraction and interface. First, abstract class can have abstract and non-abstract methods. Interface can have only abstract methods since Java 8 default static methods also. Second one is abstract doesn't support multiple inheritance and interface supports multiple inheritance. Abstract class can have final or non-final static and non-static variable. Interface has only static final variables. Abstract class can have provide the implementation of interface and interface can't provide the implementation of class. So that's all about the abstraction and interface. Thank you so much.